How to open an account in Lloyds Bank using your PC or laptop. So welcome back to another simple app tutor video everyone. In this video, we'll show you how you can open a normal bank account online. We're not talking about opening a digital banking account, because if you want to open a digital banking account you need an already existing account, and we don't have that. We're trying to open a new bank account without having to visit the bank. Maybe the bank is too far for you, or you simply want to do it online. Let's open our bank account. The first step that you will do is to open your web browser and then go over to a website called lloydsbank.com. I'll make sure to leave the website link in the video description down below so you can open it from there. Once you open their official website, you want to make sure that you're under the personal section. Now expand this menu that should have 3 horizontal lines, and a bunch of options will appear on our screen. You can select if you want to open a current account, or you can create a savings account by selecting this. I'm going to select a current account, so I'll click on that option, and now we'll select this classic account because that's the account that we usually create. When you select the classic account, it's going to get you to this page where you want to scroll down until you can see these 3 buttons. I suppose that you are a new customer, so we'll tap on the Apply Now under the New Customers section. Scroll down once again until you see this Ready to Open a Classic Account, and just tap on the Continue button. Now we'll have to fill in some details. You will be able to scan the QR code from your mobile phone because they may need to ask you for a photo and some documents in order to verify your identity. You can either use your phone and scan the QR code or simply continue in filling in your details on the computer or the laptop. They'll ask us, are we an existing customer, and I'm not, so I'll select no. They'll also ask if we already have a UK current account. And after you've done this, you can read the questions and answers about the account and all that stuff, then we can continue to the next part. They will redirect us to this page where we will have to enter our details. So we'll need the first, middle and last name, the date of birth, email address, phone number, and all that other stuff that is necessary when opening a bank account. This is pretty basic stuff and you want to fill this on your own, enter in your personal and other details. After you fill in the information, you can go to the next step and follow the on-screen instructions. They'll also ask you to send your photos or documents to verify the identity. So just follow their steps and your Lloyds Bank account will be successfully opened. And that's it everyone. If this video was helpful to you or you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video.